Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. The message from Course in Miracles card deck for today is: today belongs to love, let me not fear. If you knew who walks beside you on the way that you have chosen, fear would be impossible. Today's message from the starseed oracle deck is deep cellular healing, Arcturus energy, physical and emotional healing. Your body knows how to heal. Healing is your natural state. Physical and emotional disharmony can be a reflection of how the world, inner and outer, has been out of alignment. If you're suffering from a mystery or chronic illness, don't allow yourself to think you've done something wrong. Today it's difficult to navigate our health. If this card has made its way to you, you are being called to focus on your healing in practical ways, to prioritize your health, to be kind and tender to your miraculous body, to give yourself the grounding and care you need, to put your body first, to nourish yourself as you would a newborn baby, to treat yourself with tender care. You may be called to switch things up with your body or your emotional well-being, to call in a team of helpers to support you in navigating any challenges you may be experiencing emotionally. The Arcturians are a galactic group of beings who have mastered deep cellular and emotional healing. They want you to know that it's possible to feel vibrant in your body and well in your skin, to have your cells return to your effervescence and vitality, to find calmness and contentedness, to have a soothed nervous system and a tranquil heart. How do we do the activation? Take your hands to your heart and consider your heart as the portal and whisper, I take back my vitality and energy, and feel more and more healthy each and every day. My body knows how to heal. My body knows how to heal. So today's message is come from the place of love and love your body and health. Take care of your health. Your body knows homeostasis, as in it knows how to come back to its natural state. But if you're suffering, you have certain aches and pains, that means that you are out of alignment. So take care of your body. Self-care is very important. And take care of your emotional and physical well-being. And return to your vitality, to your energy. And you can ask for help. Okay? So that's the message for today. Lots of love.